Alright guys, we're on question number 11 of 7th grade proportional relationships 2 and circle unit assessment. So we're on number 11. It says Pedro has a rectangular pool in his backyard that is 6 foot long and 4 foot wide. A resort that he works at is similar in shape as shown below. So I know this is the resort. How long is the resort pool? So I'm looking for L, for length. Well, let me go ahead and draw my other picture just because it really helps me put things in perspective. That's not really a rectangle, so we'll just pretend. Now it says it's 6 foot long. Well, I know that length goes up and down. Okay, so length is this. So 6 foot, and it's 4 foot wide. Now, over here, this picture, it looks like 9 might be the length. But I know that I don't know the length, so I know that 9 must be the width, which means I must be looking at the picture wrong. If you turn it, then you'll be looking at it correct. So this one was a little tricky if you didn't read it carefully. So I know that 9 is the width, and I know that 4 is the width. All right, so now I'm going to set up my proportion. And remember, there are a couple of different ways you could do it. I'm going to say 9 goes over L, 9 over L, or you could say X. So I did pink to white. So over here, I have to put the 4 first and the 6. So 4 over 6. Now, if you like to go from side to side, you could say, well, 9 goes with 4, yes, and L goes with 6. Are 4 and L still across from each other? Yes. So does it really matter which one you pick? No. Alright, so on this side I have 9 times 6, and that's 54. On this side I have 4L, or 4X. Now right now 4 is being multiplied with L, so my only option is to divide because I'm trying to get L by itself. When I divide 4 by 4, I get 1, so that guy cancels out. Well, now I have 54 divided by 4. Well, I don't know my 4s all the way up to 54, so I'm going to come over here and divide. Remember, your top goes in, your bottom goes out. And I see that 4 goes in here one time, and 14, and I know that's 3. Now, I have a remainder here, and in middle school, we don't like remainders anymore. So, in order to get a better answer, a more accurate answer, I have to add a decimal up top. Once I add that decimal up top, I can add a 0 inside and bring it down. Well, now 4 goes into 25 times, and I get a 20 with a 0 remainder. So now I know that I am done. So the length of this resort pool is 13.5 feet. So number 11 is 13.5 feet.